All right, so there you have it. The auger system, protection system, was triggered, machine shut off, and the augers and the impeller are all good. Okay, they spin all in unison. There's no broken shear bolts. And as you can see here, the red light is on and it's blinking. That shows that the auger protection system is activated and there was a trip in the system. So all you have to do to reset that is go back to off and you can restart your machine now. And we should be able to do that.